This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Sarah Hamilton. Beautifully updated move-in ready 2-story home featuring 4-bed/2.5 bath plus 2,806 square feet, one of the largest floor plans, in Greenwood's desirable villages at Grassy Creek. First floor offers spacious open concept west/2 separate living room areas plus kitchen/dining combo and laundry room on the main. Upstairs features spacious primary bedroom west/large walk-in closet, bathroom west/tub and shower. Updates include roof, 2023, LVP, 2023, and new paint throughout. Conveniently located close to shopping, schools, entertainment, restaurants and highways. Hurry, this will not last. For more information